Condensation in the fridge can be caused by several factors. One reason is keeping the fridge door open for an extended period, allowing warm air to enter and condense. To minimize this, it's essential to keep the door open for as short a time as possible. Overloading the fridge is another culprit, as a crowded fridge can block air circulation and lead to moisture accumulation. Rectifying this involves removing clutter and only storing food that will be consumed. High external temperatures can also contribute to condensation, as warm moisture can seep into the fridge and condense. To address this, maintaining a cool kitchen environment, ideally below 30 degrees Celsius, can help. Additionally, storing hot food and open containers in the fridge can cause condensation, as the warm moisture from leftovers can escape and condense. Storing leftovers at room temperature in sealed containers can help mitigate this issue. Lastly, an unevenly balanced fridge can disrupt proper water drainage, leading to accumulated moisture and condensation. Leveling the fridge and adjusting its wheels can correct this problem. By identifying and addressing these potential causes, you can reduce condensation in your fridge and keep it running efficiently.